Okay, so this is sort of a follow-up video to the video I just made this morning. I wanted to show you how to make black metallic glitter paper and also silver and gold, and then to show you how it works. And also I wanted to show you something I left out of my other video. So we are in paint.net, and if you don't have paint.net, you can download it. It is a little bit different from the regular paint that comes with your computer, usually in your accessories. Paint.net does a little bit more than just regular paint. So I am going to jump over here to iPicky, and we are going to create our box. Now I have already made the black and the silver, and I need to make a gold box. Okay, so as I've said before, on Etsy, most digital papers are sold in 12 by 12, but you can size them however you want. I already know that the pixels on a 12 by 12 is 1500 by 1500, so we're just going to change our height and width right here. And the hardest part right here is going to be trying to choose a gold color. So we'll just go to our yellows here, and down here in this little box, you can sort of get a gold color that you like. It's just a matter of playing around with it. Okay, and I'm going to click create. So here is our gold box. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And you can save it wherever you would like. Okay, now I'm going to jump over here to paint.net, and I'm going to show you, we are going to upload first the black box that I just made. Okay, and this, all you have to do is click effects, and all glitter paper is adding noise. So we're going to add some noise. Now, you want to make sure your intensity is at 100, and you want to make sure your color saturation is at 0. And you click OK. Now, if this is not enough sparkle for you or enough glitter, you can actually go right back up here again to effects. You can click noise, and you can click to add noise again, and then you can lower the intensity to however you would like it. So I think I'm just going to take it down to about 50%, maybe 60, and click OK. Okay, so this is our black metallic glitter paper. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then it shows you that the quality is at 100%. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. And now we are going to open the gold box that we just created. So we have a solid gold box right here, and we are just going to click effects, and we are going to add noise. And we want our intensity to be 100. And once again, if this is not enough glitter sparkle for you, you can always go back up and add more noise if you would like, because that is all glitter paper is, just adding noise. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click Save As. And you can tell that's just beautiful. You can tell all the shimmer, and I love it. Okay, so we're going to close out of this, and then I'll show you how to do the silver one. So we're working with metallics right here. Okay, and then here is no, that's not the silver box I created. Okay, so let me go back here again and try to find my silver box. Okay, so here it is, and we have our solid silver color here. And once again, we're just going to click on Effects, and we are going to add Noise. Once again, making sure that the intensity is at 100 and the color saturation is at 0. And then once again, if you want to add more noise, we can add a little bit more noise. And then I'm going to actually take this down a little bit because that's just a little bit too much. Okay, so now I'm going to save as. Okay, so just to kind of show you how that works, I'm going to jump back over here to iPicky, and we're going to click New, and I'm going to show you how these metallic papers actually do work. Whether you want to bundle them up and sell them as metallics on Etsy, or if you want to use them as papers so that you can make glitter fonts, you know, however you want to do that, this is what we're doing. So it is October and it's getting close to Halloween. So I am going to type the word spooky, and I'm just going to come down here and try to find sort of a Halloween font. And I think I like this one. Okay, so let's make this bigger. Okay, now I have already uploaded most of these fonts, but I'm going to do it with the gold one. I don't think I did the gold. And just to show you how these work, when I take the black glitter that we just created, you want to completely cover your text. And then we are going to click on Lighten, and that takes the paper and puts it behind the text. And whenever I blow this up, you can tell it's all glitter or metallic, however you want to refer to that. And then we can also change the color. Let's try our gold. Completely covering the text, and then we'll click Lighten, and let me blow this up for you so you can see there is the glitter. And then I will do one more. I think we did not do the silver box. So we're going to take our silver metallic glitter and we're going to cover that, completely covering the text. And then once again, we're going to click Lighten. and I'm going to blow that up just so you can see how gorgeous that is. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.